night, every day. Natasha keep on calling me every day, saying, that's my son, that's my son. I already tell her I'm carrying me, petite là, not for me. Look at that. Gat cheve, petite là. Cheve assemblé, marronné, et sa femme yo mette dans cheve yo, mais même pas de barassa yo, et tête gen. Petite maman, my mom is never wrong. Li fait rêve, li dit, petite là pas pour moi. Natasha so watch it, man. She always going to the club every day, shaking her booty, listening to city girls all the time, talking about she gonna swipe in visa. She don't even got no visa. She don't even got no damn credit. Then she wanna tell me, oh, can I get your money? What she think I am? All she need to go do is swipe that food stamp card and get out her mama house and leave me alone, man. That's not my son.
Moi connais que petite ça, c'est pas pour petite garçon de Johnson lié. Moi fais un rêve que petite là pas pour Johnson.
Johnson ain't nothing but a mama's boy. Johnson still live with his mama still feed him, clothe him. I think she even helps him in the bathroom. I can't wait for this DNA test to prove that Johnson is my baby's daddy.
So what's the problem?
Maury, I'm sick and tired of him saying that, no, Johnson ain't my baby's daddy. I'm 5,000% sure that he's my baby's daddy. Sure. I'm sick of him and his mama.
Okay. Yeah. So I'm guessing you want the results.
I want the results right now. Bring them out. Come on now. Bring them out. I'm ready for it. Bring them out.
Okay, please sit down.
Sure.
Sit down. Okay. So Natasha, guess what?
Okay.
We want to bring that boy and we're gonna bring the mother out.
Bring them out, Maury. Bring them out, 'cause I'm tired.
Okay.
I'm
So
tired.
now let's bring out the boy and the mother.
Whatever. That's your baby. That's your baby. That's your baby. That's your baby. Whatever. That's your baby. That's your baby.
Maury, what's happening, man?
Whatever. That's your baby. That's your baby. That's your baby.
Maury, I need to know because I am not the dad. I'm telling you what now. I'm telling you what. Mama feel ready. She dreaming like
I'm going to